Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Simplified channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can download CapCut from official website and use its pro features without paying a penny. In the other video I showed it directly how you can use it, but I see a lot of people are commenting about how they can download and they are having some issues using these features. So watch this video carefully, make sure you are not skipping any part of it so that you can use these features for free. Okay. First, you need to go to Google and write download CapCut, and you need to click on the first website that pops out. That's the official one. Click download for free and open the downloaded file. It will open an installer. Double click on the installer. And here, click OK. Open. Then let's wait for it. So it will be installed by doing fast forward here, so that we will not wait. Okay, now we finished the installation and it's verified. Okay, now we can open CapCut and create a new project. So for the sake of this video, I imported some images. I will be adding some effects, pro effects, so that we can make sure we added something. I'll be doing fast forwarding here again. So I'm adding a lot of effects. All of them are pro, nothing free here. All of them, and actually we had a great edit here. You see. Okay, now select all of them and click options. I show it how to do it. Create compound clip. Make sure you click on it, and then we see that our effects are applied. Then you need to again click on options, control and one click, pre-process compound clip. This is super important. If you don't do it, it will not work. This is like a rendering process. It's the key part of this video. After it does this, we close the app, click on search for CapCut, and click on CapCut. Click on user data, click on projects, draft, and select the project you worked on, and go to resources, combination, and this is our video. Let's open it. We make sure we have all the effects applied here. See, again, make sure you are not skipping any part of this process. If you don't select all the project and create compound clip and then pre-process it, it will not work. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.